It's missing a tail.
T-Rex have tail?
And I don't remember what a pterodactyl looks like. We should go back in time to study the dinosaurs.
Yeah!
Brother Time, can you zap us to the age of the dinosaurs? Okay, let's make some great dinosaur pictures. Morphle, morph into a photographosaurus.
Mila, picture!
Cool! Look, Morphle, pterodactyls! Look! It has a long beak and great wings. And helicopter blades? Well, that was a strange dinosaur.
Yeah!
Look, Morphle, a T-Rex. A T-Rex is really big, and it has large teeth and roller skates. I've never seen a dinosaur do that before. Well, let's find some other dinosaurs, Morphle. Look, Morphle, Argentinosauruses.
So big!
Yes, Morphle, they are very big and have really long necks. Look, Morphle, it will stretch its neck to reach that leaf. Huh? What's it doing? Did you hear that laugh, Morphle?
Uh-huh.
Something doesn't feel right. Let's follow that Argentinosaurus. Orphle! Orphle, it was you all along.
Huh?
The pterodactyl with helicopter blades, the T-Rex on roller skates. Don't worry, because of you, we've got some great pictures. Do you want to see them?